Hi there, welcome to our Duolingo English Test practice channel. This video is part of our Frequently Asked Questions series. In today's episode, we'll be addressing the following question. What is your test could not be certified in Duolingo English Test? For the majority of individuals, the Duolingo English Test is the first official assessment that can be taken at home without the need to visit a testing center. So to ensure the test's fairness and integrity, this new format has distinct rules and requirements compared to traditional assessments. Here are some common reasons for not being certified. 1. Frequently looking away from the screen. Maintaining constant eye contact with the screen is crucial during the test. Frequent distractions or a tendency to look away may indicate a lack of focus or engagement. 2. Not closing all programs on the computer. Prior to starting the test, ensure all unnecessary applications are completely closed. This includes social media platforms, messaging apps like WhatsApp, and remote access tools such as TeamViewer and AnyDesk. 3. Other people are present in the testing environment. Your testing environment must be free from any external influences. Their presence could undermine the fairness of the assessment and distract you from your task. 4. Taking the test using someone else's name or ID. It is strictly forbidden to take the test under another person's name or identification. This constitutes cheating and can lead to serious consequences, including disqualification from the test. 5. Wearing headphones or earplugs. Wearing headphones or earplugs during the test can create the impression that you are attempting to block out important audio cues or receive outside help. 6. Either the camera or microphone is not turned on. Both your camera and microphone should be fully operational and turned on throughout the entire testing period. This allows for proper monitoring and ensures that your answers can be clearly heard and recorded. 7. Using writing tools or paper. The use of external writing tools, such as pens, pencils, or paper, is absolutely prohibited during the test. These materials can be used for note-taking or communication, which could unfairly influence your performance. 8. Using predictive input methods. Engaging predictive text input or autocomplete features can be seen as an unfair advantage. It is essential to rely solely on your own knowledge and skills to respond to questions during the assessment. 9. Leaving the application window at will. It is important to remain focused on the testing application throughout the assessment. Navigating away from the test window could raise suspicions of seeking outside assistance or losing focus. 10. The test is incomplete and not uploaded. Ensure that you complete all sections of the test and properly submit your answers as required. Failing to upload your responses can result in disqualification or an automatic failure. 11. Participating in the test using another account with a different email address. If you have already registered for the test with a different email or account, you must refrain from attempting to take the test again under a new account, as this violates testing policies.